Most of the roads have been destroyed. Guys, how you doing? I just wanna pay this guy's crowdy, and it was raining like early in the morning. I'm paying 1,000 for this guy, and I just wanna catch a taxi. Just wanna catch a taxi here. Maybe this one. Yeah. I said down. Zingad. 1.5. You say the guy I said, son of will. Yeah. Now we're talking.
Jackson my spicy fideleza yengosi sunga mage
Okay, man, yeah, sure. Okay, guys, I'm in town right now. I'm in the Lilongwe town. So let's keep on walking. Like, there's a lot of mud today in the street because it has been raining since morning. And yeah, let's keep on walking. I just want to meet a few friends and show you guys how our city looks like. This is the other side where I can go a CBD side, and we have a city center also, but today we're in the CBD. So let me show you the most busiest part of Lilongwe. Most of the roads have been destroyed. New roads have been built up or constructed. Okay, let's go this way. So this side is where the Devil Street is, the most famous street here in Lilongwe, Devil Street. So it's where I'm going right now. I don't know why they call it Devil, but there's a lot of things happening there. Like there's a lot of clubs and shops. Let's go and see it. So this is the Devil Street. I say, Zapo, manu atawezeka extra large. Alipo. Ndiza ose ndumufuna ni balinzanga wina akaso akumufuna kwambiri. Ndizingati? 75. Ndimbo. 2XL ndabina alipo. How did you want 2XL on? A friend of mine is this jersey, so 2XL. 2XL, I think NuRu. Zingati? 75. Kupitilira hapo mulibe. Imali hapo hapo size. Okay, azabula kama libwa na ile lokave na mama. So, tona. Sharp. So he needs XXL. David is one day. Yeah. So this is the Devil Street. And down is on to Devil Street. Mess of a social media. Mess of anyone don't have a social media. So this is Devil Street, guys. Why do they call it Devil Street? Baila? Okay. So us, we are used to Devil Street. Okay. It looks like there's no electricity. The lights are off. I know, and then Motamanga. Take go with the mice. It's at the bus station right now. Like the Lilongwe bus station, guys. Yeah. So yeah, this is a friend of mine in Ula, but he doesn't wanna say anything.
He doesn't want to talk.
He doesn't
want
wanna
to talk anything. Hey.
Wow, what go very soon? I just shout. Okay, so yeah, let's keep on exploring this city of Malawi. Aye, that's a killer Malusi, the killer. Asa Baba. Twanzi 250 ena size ayikuluka 380 ndachekera Malusi ndimwalero ndendolozo mawira ano kuti mundigulira nchave mawira ano taina kuti mundigulira nchave ndimu
Hey. 1.5
in a 10M 1,500
job if you want.
yene nimafuna ndimo sorry
Out of the dinner.
in a 10M 1,500
Yeah,
total freedom
ginger wako mchu.
So guys, today I'll be spending my day in Devil Street. This is Devil Street. Goes all the way up there. And this side all the way down there. There's a lot of shops here, man. A lot of shops, a lot of pubs, like clubs. Then the jamblo usiku.
Mazuru.
Kuma kawa busy usiku.
Mazuru jamu ungotura ruwa.